going to make this rose. I think this is the most easiest way to create rose. This is require only one origami and this like something to you make paper curve. So I think it's pretty easy. So let's get started. So first of all, you're gonna fold origami half. Okay. After that, you can fold other half. Okay, and then you open this and you the finger and make sure this line comes to this line and make a triangle this way, other way, like this. After that, you hold one side of the triangle and you hold this to this line. Okay, perfectly. So after that, there is this paper. You hold this paper and fold this way, like this. Okay. After that, you open this side and open this side and open this and put the finger here and this line and this line comes together and then here make a square here. Okay, so other side same too. So you open this and open this, make a square like this. Perfect. And fold this top triangle this way once and open. And this is the most difficult part of this craft. Put here and you gonna open. There is a two triangle here, white triangle, this and this. So you fold this, put here, then you fold the finger here, this, and then you're going to fold this. There is a line here, right? So make sure this line comes to this line here, and then you fold other. Okay, it's not good, but you can cover like this. Okay, got a little bit broken. Maybe I can use this like instead of my finger, like this. Other side, you begin like this. So you fold, you put your finger here. Here you go. And then you can open this. Make sure it doesn't broken. Okay, so this line and this line comes together here. And then you carefully hold other side. Carefully hold the other side. Okay. It became like this. So turn over. And there is triangle here. So you fold and make sure this stands. And then here, this side, it's gonna open. You open this side, and then make sure you open the other side. Here, you open this side. This came like this. Looks so this is gonna be the arranged part of this flower. So you hold this, top of this, and you're gonna make like you're going to twist the center part of this paper like this. Twist and twist and twist. Okay, it became like this. Then here, I'm going to use this something to curl the edge of this paper. So here, it's really depending on how you want to do, but I just gonna do like this way because the flower twist is like this. So I'm gonna put here and then I'm gonna roll this side. If you have a pencil, it's fine. If you have a chopstick, I think it's gonna be fine too. Anything you can make like this curl, it's fine. It doesn't look like a flower yet, right? But I'm gonna twist this again, like really strongly. And then you hold this and then you put a little bit fold the other side of the flower and then make sure he became little bit tiny, and then open this, became a rose. Yeah, this is pretty easy to make a rose because I don't have to use a lot of paper. Just only use one origami and create like this kind of flower rose. So thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please subscribe and hit like button and give me a comment what origami you want to see in my channel. Until next time.